Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best southern potato salad. To begin, select starchy potatoes like russet or Yukon Gold, which are ideal for achieving a creamy texture. Boil them until they are fork tender, typically around 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring they remain firm enough to hold their shape. Gather all your essential ingredients, such as mayonnaise, mustard, and fresh celery, before you start mixing for a seamless preparation. Now, let's craft that signature creamy dressing. Whisk together about 1 1/2 cups of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of classic yellow mustard. Introduce 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a delightful tang. Then, fold in finely diced celery and red onion, which provide a wonderful crunch. Season this mixture generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. With your dressing ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently fold the warm, cooked potatoes into the creamy dressing. It is crucial to avoid overmixing, as this can break down the potatoes and result in a gummy texture. Make sure every piece of potato is beautifully coated with that rich, flavorful dressing. Once mixed, cover and chill your potato salad for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight, to allow all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. To present your delicious southern potato salad, garnish it with a vibrant sprinkle of paprika and some freshly chopped parsley for both color and a hint of freshness. This classic side dish is best served chilled, making it an ideal accompaniment for barbecues, picnics, or any family meal. For an even richer flavor experience, consider preparing the salad a full day in advance. Store any remaining portions in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.